So we got the non-farm payrolls in literally 15 minutes now. And with the ES, if we're coming up strongly, and we're right at the bottom of this bigger resistance zone now in the ES. So the 2775, we're through 2737, 2775. Obviously that 2824 is still absolutely key to ruling out the idea of a fifth down in a diagonal, even in this swing down. But if I then come down to the hourly time frame, you can see we're right at the top of that resistance. 2775, 2798 are the next two levels, and then the red line above. But what I'm really interested in is the count off the bottom, and it's starting to look like this impulse may well play out. I've got a 1, 2, 3 into the 1618. I think we had a running flat for a 4, and that fits better with the cash market. Then this morning we got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to see it push up 5, 4, 5, all the way up to almost 2800. If we can get it, would be fantastic. And I mean, that can still just be an A wave. It can be an A of the diagonal that we're tracking. It can be the 1 of an impulse if the low we saw was a 4. Or it can be an A of an ABC corrective, in which case the B is going to come down very, very deep. But I'm watching with the payrolls to see what happens and whether we can finish this structure off to the upside. One more high, and we have got enough because the count for this last section off the low we saw yesterday is slightly questionable as to where the 4 goes. But that's what I've got in the ES this morning. So looking good thus far.